Hello, welcome to our site. You can kind of take a look around here, but I just want to give you a brief overview of what this entails. You have three parts to this. It's the essential learnings. Those are broken down by language arts, math, science. You can kind of take a look at the essential learning video to see how we broke those down. We identified those into three categories. The essentials obviously are in red. It's our inner target, middle target is blue, and then our outer target is green. So all students need to master all the reds. To take those essential learnings, we have a data tracker, and you can see how those students do on a daily basis, how they did on pretest, how they did on formative assessment, and then how they did on a post-test. And so this will help with the RTI process. A lot of our special ed staff or title staff will come in and kind of take a look at their students as well. And administrators, you can kind of see how your teachers are doing and where they're progressing with those essential learnings, staying on track with that, how they're, as a class, they're doing. Also, we have the assessment vault. And so you can kind of take a look at different things. You can look at the pre-test and post-test that hopefully a lot of teachers have submitted for each of those essential learnings. You can also take a look at a Pinterest board. If you're a Pinterest lover, you can kind of go in and see lots of different resources for those indicators and different aspects of teaching. We also have a writing rubric, and then most effective lessons and resources vault for those most effective lessons that teachers will bring in for those essential learnings during their PLCs. So that will be constantly being updated. There also will be added an intervention vault. So whether that be academic or behavior, you can kind of go in and search for different interventions that hopefully work for you, and they're all research based. If you are an administrator trying to implement this, there's some implementation stages. There's some rollout slides to give you some kind of background knowledge and the reasons why we kind of did this. Obviously, you're in the self-help video section. You can kind of take a look at some different things there. Some research that we've kind of used to go into this whole frameworks idea. There's some instructional resources. These are kind of for schools that have already adopted this, maybe you want to take it to the next level. There's some really nice resources there for student learning as well. And then our individual school sites. Each school in our issue will have their own essential learning site where they can go and see their data tracker. Only those schools will have access to that since it's student names. But that will hopefully provide some transparency and accountability into what they're teaching.